Welcome to the future of high-precision woodworking, brought to you by Jovastech Solutions Private Limited, India's trusted partner in world-class woodworking machinery. In today's competitive landscape, precision, productivity, and repeatability are the pillars of industrial success. That's why we're proud to introduce a machine that delivers all three, and more. Presenting the T4MO Copying Lathe by Bacci, Italy, a global leader in solid wood processing machinery. The T4MO is more than just a lathe. It is a next-generation solution engineered for high-speed, high-accuracy production of 3D-formed wooden components. With 4 synchronized horizontal spindles, this machine ensures that every cut, every curve, and every contour is flawlessly replicated, time after time. From complex chair legs and structural profiles, gun stocks and tool handles, oars, anatomic sandal bases and hangers, to handcrafted musical instruments, the T4MO excels across diverse industries with unmatched consistency and speed. Core specifications: maximum lathing length, 1,250 millimeters. Spindle inter-axis distance, 170 millimeters. Main motor power, 11 kilowatts. Sanding unit, 4 industrial-grade belts. Belt height, 180 millimeters. Contact roller diameter, 80 millimeters. This powerful configuration transforms raw timber into finely finished components, minimizing manual intervention, reducing cycle time, and maximizing output. What does this mean for your business? Significantly improved production rates, reduction in skilled labor dependency, perfect repeatability for bulk orders, reduced finishing time, higher customer satisfaction, lower operational cost per unit. In short, the T4MO is designed to elevate both efficiency and profitability. Trusted by industry leaders. Top organizations across India have already integrated the T4MO into their production lines, including Wakefit, renowned for quality furniture and home solutions; Narsi and Associates, specialists in premium interior contracts; Morph Design Company, Prestige Group, leaders in luxury interior design; Total Environment Building Systems, Private Limited, pioneers in sustainable architecture. These industry names chose the T4MO for its robust performance, precision output, and long-term return on investment. Why Jovastech Solutions? Established in 2017 and headquartered in Bengaluru, Jovastech is one of India's fastest-growing providers of advanced woodworking solutions. We specialize in turnkey machine integration, operator training in regional languages, genuine spare parts supply, on-site support and service across India. We don't just supply machines, we provide partnerships that deliver performance.
Baby, I feel how did I be on the track, yo.